Florida wants to be the first state in the country to end all vaccine mandates. This would mean kids won't need polio, measles, or chickenpox vaccines to attend school. Florida Surgeon General Joseph Ladapo says forcing vaccines is immoral.
Every last one of them is wrong and drips with disdain and slavery.
But medical professionals warned that this could put children at risk of disease. One even called it madness. Ladapo's made headlines for some pretty controversial and sometimes false views. During COVID, he pushed treatments like ivermectin, even after it had been debunked. Last week, when I was on a plane from Washington, D.C. to Miami, I noticed Robert F. Kennedy Jr., now Secretary of Health and Human Services, sitting a few rows behind me. He is a longtime vaccine skeptic. I introduced myself and asked RFK about Florida ending vaccine mandates. He would not comment. Later at the airport, I asked him again and filmed it.
What do you think about ending vaccine mandates in Florida?
Parents in Florida have already been able to request a vaccine exemption for medical or religious reasons. More parents choose to not vaccinate their kids. It reduces the effectiveness of vaccines that rely on herd immunity, like measles. Herd immunity works when a high percentage of the population is vaccinated, making it harder for a disease to spread. The U.S. thought it had eradicated measles 25 years ago. But now, the highly contagious disease is making a comeback, with more than 1,400 cases so far this year. Last year, a measles outbreak at a Broward elementary school infected 7 students.
A growing number is causing concerns about who's calling the shots.
Even President Trump has pushed back against ending all vaccine mandates.
Well, I think we have to be very careful. Look, you have some vaccines that are so amazing.
Governor DeSantis' administration can end some vaccine mandates on their own, but to end all vaccine mandates, lawmakers will need to approve. For more on this, go to miamiherald.com.